Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Smart App Control can't turn on in Windows 11 enable without reinstalling. Open Registry with administrative privileges. Click and expand HKey local machine, click and expand system, click and expand current control set. Click and expand control, click and expand CI, click policy. Change value data to 1. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.